Hi everybody, welcome back to my introduction to Pixlr X. Now we've got images loaded, I'm going to have a wee look at some of the different filters and effects you can add to your image to make a change to it. We're trying to make a picture postcard, so I'm going to take you through that process of making that picture postcard. On the left side you have all the various things that you can do, so you can look at cropping your image, taking out a section or just keeping a section of it. Adjustments, so we're going to start in there. And you can increase, we're going to increase a few things in here, so I'm just going to increase the temperature, a bit of the vibrance in there, a bit of the hue, maybe not actually, I'll leave it like that. And I'm going to apply that to my image. Okay, you can have a little bit go of applying different adjustments to that as you go through it. Then we're going to apply some filters, so we can have a look at different things like blur. So you can increase a bit of blur onto your picture, or you can make it appear like it's smoother and so on. I'm going to leave and not put anything on it, but for you, if you want to have a look at those, feel free. And then we're going to look at adding in some effects. Okay, so we're going to start just by adding in a different effect on there. Again, you have a play around with those and work your way through them. Then we're going to finish by adding some text. And to do that, so just add in a text button, and then it comes up with a bunch of text that's already pre-done, but we're going to ask you to add in the name of the place. So in this situation, it's Singapore. And then I'm just going to change the font. I'll change that font to Aiden. It will actually allow me to. There we go. And then change the size. Just wait for my computer to load a little bit. And then we can just place that in the bottom. And then I'm going to add in another piece of text, just with a little slogan. Because this is a postcard, a little bit of advertisement, I'm going to just add in a little bit in there. This time I'm going to change the color a little bit in this. That's fine. And I'm just going to reduce the size because I want it to be a lot smaller than the other Singapore text. Again, just a wee bit of a lag. I'm just going to get that a wee bit smaller than that. Go. Populate that nicely at the bottom there. Okay. So what we've done here is we've created a little bit of an advertisement for Singapore, using Pixlr X to edit the image and then add in an overlay of text on top of that. Now you can also add different elements, things like borders and stickers and shapes and all that on top of it. The idea is that we want to try and create some sort of advertisement for a particular place.